Copying specs. You can copy any spec you've created, and you can copy it either within your own project or to a different project. Highlight the items you'd like to copy, then click the copy button. It will give you the option to copy it to the spec library, or you can copy it within a project. If we select the project option, you can choose to copy it within your current project or to a different project. You'll have the option to either copy over your linked specs. So for example, if you have a parent spec with an upholstery and a wood finish, you can choose to copy those same items. So you would copy the parent spec and also copy over the fabric and the wood finish, or you can choose to ignore it and only copy over the parent spec. You can reassign the area, and you'll have an option here to pick the areas from the next project, or you can remove all area assignments. You can also generate new codes, keep the same code, or keep the same number sequence.